last couple of videos, we showed how to glue, flip, nudge, and nail sheets of subfloor. In this episode, David will address the edge of the sheet where it lines up on the outside wall.
We do not nail the end yet, because that wall might have to move in just a little bit here or there. We spent all of this time putting our deck down on walls that were straightened and plumb, but I just want to recheck that because we moved everything around. I get it on there and I see that I have a nice straight line, I have a good bubble, so I can measure off of this point now to like, say, a 3-inch mark. And I do that on the other corner, then I can snap a line through here and make sure that no point is past that. So I know that this wall is straight. It's plumb and level here, it's plumb here, it's plumb over there, straight all the way through, and then we can nail it off. Now here I can see that although my wall was plumb, this rim joist is not. I need to get that rim joist out that 1/8 inch or so everything works. Measure off of my level. Right there is plumb and it's on my 3-inch line, so I want to move that out.
One way is to partially insert a screw and use it for leverage.
Is this what you're thinking, Calvin?
But sometimes that doesn't work. To gauge movement easily, make a line on top of the rim.
Give myself a little pencil mark. I know I'm looking for a little light, about an 1/8 inch. Once I have that space, I can nail it. Okay. That's a 1/16-ish. Yes. Get it done, Calvin. Close. Can you just put constant pressure somehow?
When Calvin moves the rim enough, David nails it.